An original movie by Undecided. That's Faza.
Hey,
That's CJ over there.
I'm CJ.
And
Camera girl?
I'm Kelly. Okay, so and that's Logan. That's CJ's brother.
And this is our first video. See,
We're
I
just-
got this Wii and I'm ready to play it.
Cool, man. All right.
You ready? I'm playing Resident Evil. But,
You're playing. Okay, that's cool. Do you have any more games besides that?
not a lot, but they're all stupid.
All right, let's do this.
Okay. I forgot how to play.
Just wait. God, shit.
Oh crap!
Dude, what'd you do? Oh my God, you cracked the TV. Oh my God. Holy, look at that. Oh, it goes all the way up.
The Wii shut off.
The heck? God dang it, Cody, come on.
Ow!
Mom! Cody broke the Wii and the TV! A movie by Undecided. Thank you for watching.